Very good day, guys. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to tell you how you can download a Windows app for Deepseek.com. As you all know, it's a new Chinese AI web version, and this is one of the most powerful and economical tool that we all are having. Out of which, it is giving a tough time to Chat Deep GPT. Now, as you can see, they do have the application for the mobile phone, but they don't have any application so far for the computer. Once you click on that, you will have to download, you will have to, like link your account with DeepSeek. Once you have considered that your account is linked with DeepSeek, then you will come on the main screen of this. Here you can also chat with it. Let me just ask a simple question. Let's see what they reply. Oh, nice. Okay, so as you can see, it's DeepSeek and it's working well. Now I'm going to confirm with them, do they have official Windows app? I'm sure they don't have it. That's good. That's good. But we're going to tell you how you can have that app installed on your Windows. You just need to complete watch this video. You go to the options and then you can see there is an option called cast, save and share. You will have to click on install page as app. It's a very good option for Google Chrome users. Once you click on that, you will see it will give you an option to install it. Now you can simply install it and you can also pin it to your taskbar. You can see it's working well on the web. Now let's try. Does it also work well if we click the app from the taskbar? You can also delete the desktop icon if you want to. It's loading like an app. Yes, here you go. So it's going good, working well. I hope you guys enjoy this hack and you can use this hack for multiple web applications or the web pages. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you very much for your time.